you see, Riya and Saira?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, previously we have talked about the monohybrid cross, right? Now, today we'll talk about dihybrid cross. What is that? In monohybrid cross, what did we do? We took only one character and we crossed it. In dihybrid cross, what we are going to do is we are going to take two characters. Okay, suppose shape of seed and color of seed. Okay, now let's see here. How come my screen is gone? So I took shape of seed and color of seed. Okay, shape of seed, what was that? Round and wrinkled. Then color of seed was what? Yellow and green, right? Now tell me the symbol for round. What would be the symbol?
It will be capital R, capital R. No,
Yes,
sorry.
capital. I'm only asking about the allele.
Okay.
Here in wrinkled,
Small R.
small r. And Ria,
Yes, ma'am.
for yellow, what would be the allele symbol?
Ma'am, can you repeat what you said in the last 2 minutes? I wasn't there.
No, I was talking about dihybrid cross. Okay, what is dihybrid cross? In dihybrid cross, we take two characters. So I have chosen here shape of seed and color of seed. In shape of seed, we have round and wrinkled. In color of seed, we have yellow and green. Okay. And for round, the symbol will be R because round has what? It is dominant trait. So its allele will be capital R. And wrinkled, here it is recessive. So it will be small r. Now for yellow, tell me.
Ma'am, for yellow it will be capital Y.
Capital Y, correct. Then for green,
Small.
correct. So this is the recessive trait. Now what we are doing is we are taking homozygous. This is homozygous dominant. This is homozygous recessive. Okay. You guys know, right? What is homozygous? Ria?
Yes. Ma'am,
What is homozygous?
ma'am, I don't know.
Having the same type of allele. That means having same type of allele. That is, either it would be dominant or it would be recessive. In heterozygous, what is there? The genotype will contain both the dominant and the recessive allele.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we are doing is in dihybrid cross, what did Mendel do is he took homozygous dominant trait and crossed it with homozygous recessive trait. In the monohybrid cross also, what did he do in monohybrid cross? He crossed the homozygous dominant trait and homozygous recessive trait. But in the monozygous, there was only one character. Okay. Here in the dihybrid, there is two characters. Okay. And during crossing, what did he get? He got hybrid, heterozygous condition. And what was the phenotype? Ria, can you see what is this phenotype? Capital Y, small y. Here, what is dominant?
Capital Y.
Yes, capital Y is what trait?
Dominant.
What? Yeah, dominant trait. What is it? Yellow.
Yellow.
And here in this capital R and small r, what is dominant?
Capital R.
So here what would be the trait?
Round or wrinkled?
Round. Wrinkled, it can't be there. If here it is like this, then you can say round wrinkled. But here we have capital R.
So
If there is, so it will only be round. Okay.
Okay.
And there won't be any mixing of the round and yellow and round. Okay. Both the trait will be expressed separately, independently of each other. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this was the first generation F5. Okay. First generation cross. Now, what is this, Ria? What is this? Ria and Sazan, what is this? Why I am writing here capital Y and capital R and here small y and small r?
And that's monohybrid cross.
Here we are talking about dihybrid cross.
Sorry.
What is this?
That is
This is gamete.
okay. Yeah.
Gametes.
I will
So,
tell.
in one gamete, right? Here we have in the gamete, right? That means suppose this is mother and this is father. You are joining again, Shazan.
Ma'am, I don't know what happened. I left the meeting by its own.
Okay, okay. Hmm. So in the gamete here, only how many types of gamete will be produced from this allele? Y. You can take only Y here and R here. And here only small y and small r, like this. Only this much gamete we can be there. Because these both are same. That's why I am writing only Y R. Okay. In chromosome only two alleles will come, right? That's why. Here only this condition is diploid condition. In the gamete there will be only diploid haploid condition, N condition. Only one sets of chromosome can come, right? So only YR is coming, not YYRR. Got it, Shazan and Ria?
Yes, ma'am.
So in cross, right? How will you cross? First, when you're crossing, you have to find gametes. Okay, then you will do the cross. It will be easy. After this, here we got this thing, yellow round. Now again, this will be crossed with yellow round. Selfing. How is selfing done, Shazan?
Ma'am, like, can you explain the principle? Ma'am, helping is done when two same
Yes, again the same type of
same
cross
type
we are
of
taking, and it's
cross
the
are.
same thing in first generation we are getting, so that both will be crossed. Same thing we will be getting, right? The same thing. YYRR. Second time the same cross. YYRR. Then the same thing we will be getting this thing. So this is selfing. Okay, now from here we have to pick gametes. Tell me how will you pick?
Like, what we will cross them.
See, this was the question, right? I'll write it again. It is easier for you guys. Oh, why the symbols? Okay, why? Now find these gametes.
Gametes are capital Y, small y, capital R.
Hmm. How many gametes can be formed? This condition is 2n condition. How many n condition will be formed in this? From
There
here itself you can see, you can take y, capital Y,
and small
and small and capital R
capital
in one
R
case.
and
Then
one
in
small.
next case you can take capital Y and small r.
Okay.
That type of gamete will come.
Small y,
And next
that will be four. That will be four.
small y and capital R. Next
And small.
small y, small r.
Told
These
four.
are the gametes we can keep, okay? You can't keep y and y. Capital Y and capital Y cannot become gamete because this is 2n condition, okay? Same type allele. It will become 2n condition. We want n condition. So for n condition, we need two contrasting character. See here, in every gametes, there is two contrasting characters, right? And there is another method also you can see. You can write like this, capital Y. For that, we have R, capital R and small r. So what would be the gamete? Capital Y, capital R. And small y, sorry, this is capital Y, right? Capital Y, small r. Then we have small y, capital R, small r. Here we will get small y, capital R. Then small y, capital R. So these are what? Gametes. And another method like this is same thing. Like this, whichever you want. Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ria and Shazan, how you will pick the gametes? Okay, now I will give you
Fine.
picking up the gametes. This one. Pick up the gametes. For this, how many gamete will come?
Ma'am, 3.
No. Tell me the gamete. How many gametes? And the genotype of gamete. Like this.
That y one.
Yeah. For this one question and second question. Wait, let me see.
Some tell like how like genotype, and can you show the example of genotype over there? Which you have this three or photo of them.
Gametes. These three. Quickly find out.
Ma'am, do we write it or do we tell?
No, you write it. Show me.
Okay.
Can you show the example once again? Okay, understood. That cross also we have to do, ma'am.
What cross?
That is the last which you did.
This is not cross. I'm not crossing
Oh,
it.
okay, okay.
Cross, I will do it like this.
Acha.
Okay, with this.
Ma'am, can you show the questions?
Huh?
The questions.
Okay.
Ma'am, I've sent. Ma'am,
I'm sending.
ma'am, I've sent.
Oh, correct, Ria. Perfect. Easy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Shazan, let me see. First one correct. Good. Next one. What did you do, Shazan? Only YR. Capital Y, capital R. That would be the gametes
Okay, ma'am.
here. Everything is same, right? I told you.
Yes.
This is same as this one.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Understood.
No need to be so complicated. Then next one, let's see. Why double time? This one how you will do? See, in that form it will be only R. So it will be YR here. Here it is A, only B. There is nothing else. Capital B is not there. So capital A, small b. Next you take A. Then there is only B. So there will be small a, small b. So this, like this you have to do. Got it, Shazan?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now we got all these gametes, right? Capital Y, capital R. Then capital Y, small r. Then small y, capital R. Then small y, small r. From this we got, right? Then
Yes.
from other one also we will get the same thing, right? Capital R, small or capital R, capital R, small, capital Y, small r, then small y, capital R, then small y, small. Then we cross it. From this we will get our dihybrid cross. Okay, this. Now come on, both of you cross.
Okay, notebook. Okay.
Ma'am, can you do one and two?
Yes, I'll show one. So from this gamete, right? What will come from first from this gamete? Y and R. From this Y and R. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
got it. Rest of the thing, I think you guys will be able to do.
Yes.
Shazan already know, right, Shazan? This one.
Yes, ma'am. I have completed. I'm sending.
Okay. 1 minute. Shared, both of you?
Ma'am, I'm taking a picture.
Shazam?
I have shared.
Have shared. Okay, good, correct. Now, Priya, find. Wait, let me see. Good. Now, both of you find phenotypic ratio.
Phenotypic ratio means that the traits on how number of traits, different traits, right?
Phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio of monohybrid cross. What was that?
3:1.
Is to 1. And so phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross, what is that? Riya, find out. What is phenotype?
Ma'am, the traits,
What is phenotype?
different types of traits. Okay.
You are always forgetting.
Wait, the face, wait.
Face.
Yeah, face.
The appearance, okay.
Appearance.
Not the internal composition, not the genotype.
Okay.
Okay,
So
not
now
the allele.
the
So,
green, number of green wrinkled and yellow wrinkled.
yes, fine.
Uh-huh.
From this, first find how many there are yellow round.
Yellow
You have
round.
done the cross, right, Priya? From that, find how many there are yellow round, then yellow wrinkled, then green round, green wrinkled. From this, you will get the phenotypic ratio.
Ma'am, can you do
The
for
question, the question, yellow round, yellow wrinkled, and green wrinkled. Okay, green round.
This I should not give, but I gave you guys clue also.
ma'am, can you do for yellow round and I can do the rest?
Yellow round is 8. That's capital.
Yellow round is very important. If I do the yellow round one, all the rest of the one are easier. No work at all then.
I found it. Green wrinkled is 2, green round is 4, yellow wrinkled 2, yellow round 8.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Hmm?
What happened, ma'am?
What are you saying, Shazam?
Ma'am, I said I have done
No, that is wrong. Come
How?
on.
Ma'am,
Yellow wrinkle. Now let's see. And here we have. Okay, now we have written all the genotypes. Now let's find phenotypes. Here we go. So what is this? Yellow, round. And what about this one? Yellow,
Yellow round.
round. Then what about this one? Yellow,
yellow round.
round. What about this one? Yellow,
Round.
round. What about this one?
Yellow
Yellow,
round.
Yellow round.
round.
I got 9 yellow round.
Then it is correct. Yellow,
And that
this one,
Ma'am,
wrinkle.
wrinkle.
wrinkled.
And this one, yellow,
Yellow round.
round. Then this one, yellow,
Ma'am, yellow and wrinkled.
wrinkle. Yes. This one, yellow,
Ma'am, yellow wrinkled.
Yellow round.
round, round, round. Capital R, capital R.
Yeah, okay.
Round. And this one,
Ma'am, yellow round.
Round.
yellow, round. Correct. Then this one,
Green round.
yes, green, round.
Green round. Of
Green
course.
round.
Yes, correct. Perfect. Now you guys are understanding.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
these all are the genotypes. We are finding the phenotype. Now here phenotype, what would be this one?
Ma'am, yellow and round.
Yellow round. That yellow wrinkle.
Ma'am, yellow wrinkled.
Yes.
Green round.
Green,
Ma'am, green round.
And then
And then
green
green
wrinkle.
wrinkled.
green, wrinkle. After doing the cross, right? All have to write the what the phenotype. Okay. Then you can write here phenotype. Then find how many. Yellow round. How many are there? Let's see.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Then find yellow wrinkled. Yellow wrinkled. We have 1, 2, then 3.
Only 3 yellow wrinkles.
Yellow green. Yellow round. No, green round.
Green round. Green round.
Green round. We have
3.
yes, green round, green round, green round. So 3. And what about green wrinkles?
That is only 1.
Yes. Shazan, what did you tell the answer starting?
From that by mistake I added there was something, but then I did it again. Then I got the answer. 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. See.
Okay, this is our phenotypic ratio. For genotypic ratio, what would you do? You have to write all the genotypes, then find how many are there, like this. Okay.
Exam this will come.
No. Exam genotypic ratio won't come for the dihybrid cross. So this inheritance over, right? Now let's talk about the evolution. Any doubt here? No, before that you have to know the sex determination, right? I think this one is easy, Ria.
It is very easy.
So a male has two types of chromosome, X, Y, and female always it will be having X type. XX type. Okay, X type. So in the gamete, what type of gamete will come here? X and Y. And here X only. So if the gamete, right, male gamete is X and it fuses with the female X gamete, then we will be getting XX. That is
Female.
female, correct. Female child. And if we are getting this Y, right, Y gamete from the male, then what would we get?
Male.
XY, that is male.
Male.
This is the sex determination in human and it is determined by the males. Okay. Now, in the evolution, what is evolution? Evolution is small changes, gradual changes to the simple life form. Okay. Then after that, it will become complex, evolve. Now here we have they are giving variation. How is variation happening in a population? Here is the explanation. So, okay, this is the beetle population. Starting in this, what is happening is here the population is 12. Oh, sorry, 10, 11, 12. 12 beetles are there, okay, and they are what? Red color. In sometime what will happen? There will be variation occurring. Few of the beetle okay, one of the beetle, what happens? It becomes green, okay, because in the trees, right? The tree background will be what? Leaves will be what? Green, and the beetle is green. So the crow will not be able to find this green colored one beetle. It will eat only the red one. So the population of the red color will beetle will keep on decreasing. Okay, and completely after some times, only the green beetle population will be there. This is our natural selection, survival of the fittest. Okay. This in this case, what is happening in first case? What is happening is the variation is helping the beetle, the green beetle, to survive. Okay. Now, in the second case, the same thing is happening here. Variation is occurring in this red beetle population, and one of the beetle is turning into blue beetle. Okay, and the size of the population is growing, and the blue beetle is also there. Okay, it is also growing. Next, what is happening is the elephant comes and steps on it. This beetle population. By chance, what happened is that where it steps, right? In that there is only what? Red color beetles. They get stepped on. They die. Only the blue survive, and it forms new species. It keeps on developing. Okay. In the third case, what is happening in the third case is this is the beetle, but here. What is happening, the where the beetle is there, right? The leaf is suffering from some disease. This plant leaf is suffering from some diseases, so the beetles are not getting proper nutrition. Okay, and the weight of the beetle will keep on decreasing. After some times, what will happen is, if the plant disease is cured, the beetle will be developed again. Okay, here in this case there is no genetic change. Okay, here only there is phenotype variation. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
genetic makeup is same. Whatever it is same.
Okay,
Only the
ma'am.
size of the beetle is reducing or increasing in third case. In the first and second case, what is happening here is there is change both in the genotype and in the phenotype. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
So,
looks like red beetles are very unlucky people.
yeah, because it is red. When you see red color stuffs, you like eating red foods, right?
Yes.
No,
Mouth waters.
red food.
Yeah,
Yes.
momos, anything with red.
I had a
Manchurian.
red beetle dying.
So this, if it is in sometimes, right? This some of the animals, right? There will be bright. They will be in bright coloration. Have you seen some frogs? Very bright coloration.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is that? Yeah, that frog will be poisonous, so they won't get eaten. And what other frog will do, right? They'll copy that red coloration. So the predator will think, okay, this one is poisonous, so I won't eat it.
How will other frog will become red, ma'am? Frog,
There's
the frog.
frog. Yeah, frog. There is red color frog. Many types of frog. This evolution, I don't know how it happens. They are designs.
Frog can change color also.
Hmm.
Um,
There are many.
I'll buy one.
Huh? No, no, no. It won't change its color. There are many species of frog, right?
Red colored fish.
In certain areas, it gets evolved. Yeah, I don't know how it is, but there are different types of frog and different colors. Okay, poisonous, not poisonous. Okay,
Also, the predator thinks the red ones are poisonous. Just this.
yeah,
They don't know
they,
there are red species.
yeah, they think
Oh,
red one is poisonous, but actually some of the red ones, right? Most of the red ones are poisonous. That is the thing.
no.
Extreme color, they are poisonous, and so the
Ma'am,
frog is copying that
ma'am,
mimicry.
there is a red dart frog.
Hmm?
Red dart frog, which is
Hmm.
venomous, poisonous. Sorry,
Hmm.
skin is poisonous.
Hmm. There are also transparent frogs. You can watch the video of brave wilderness. They show many wild animals,
Ma'am, brave what?
wilderness.
Okay.
Mom, is it a frog's name?
No, no, it is channel frog. See, problem, there is problem. Write it here. See, this is process. Coloration. This one is famous. Which problem would you like to watch?
This props looks kind of attractive.
This is the invisible frog.
Oh, wow.
You can watch this one. See, this is dark coloration. It is poisonous. Costume here many. He missed it. You have to fire and then he will catch it. Yeah, they are giving the species name. Beautiful. Got it? Huh?
No.
This one is strawberry one. Okay, two times their species will be evolved. One is by the natural selection, the other one is by the chance. Okay, and most variation, how is variation happening? By reproduction. Okay, and on also in the other higher classes, you will learn about the mutation. Now, acquired and inherited traits. What are those? After
Ma'am,
completing this, we will do assignment. Okay.
ma'am, 1 second. I have. Can I drink water and come?
Yes. Priya, you're back. Riya, you're there. Shazam.
I'm here.
Okay. So acquired is what? Individual acquiring trait during their lifetime, and it is not passed, okay, to next generation. That is acquired trait. Like for example, in the mice, right? If we cut the mice tail, what will happen in next generation? Will there will be tailless mice? No, mice will be having tail. Okay, there won't be tailless mice. That character is acquired trait. Okay, your our swimming skills. Yeah, if you are good at it, that means in next generation, it is not sure that the next generation will be also good in that. Writing skills, whatever. It is the lifetime acquired skills or traits. Okay. And the inherited trait, what is that? It is passed from one generation to next generation. Okay, like eye color, hair shape, earlobes. Okay, those things are inherited traits. Got it? Okay. So now this is over. We have more left. Then we will do assignment today.